Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you're all fine and happy, and you are watching my YouTube channel Best on Amazon. First of all, please subscribe my channel for top product that is on Amazon. So now we start our topic, and the topic is the Dove Advanced Care Revive Deodorant, pack of 3. Sold by Have a Great Day. Introducing Dove Advanced Care Anti-Perspirant Deodorant, Revive in a convenient pack of 3. Each stick offers 2.6 ounces of superior odor and wetness protection. Formulated to help skin repair itself from shaving damage effectively. Experience the refreshing fragrance of pomegranate and lemon verbena. Dove is the #1 dermatologist recommended brand for skin care. Designed to stay on your skin, not on your clothes. Choose Dove for lasting freshness and skin-loving care every day. Rated 4.8 stars. Order today for $14.16. Product link is available in description, so click on that and buy your product. So at the end of video, I want to just say that please subscribe my channel for more videos of best product on Amazon.